20th June made me excited and pleasantly engaged in fun-filled Father's Day celebration of Sathguru Associates. On 19th June, when I received a gift pack, I could not resist my temptation to open it. But the message on the top clearly indicated, do not open until 4 p.m. on 20th. Good dads abide by instructions, so I kind of restrained myself from opening it until 4 p.m. on 20th. When we converged on 20th at 4 p.m., we were pleasantly asked to make a dish out of all the goody things that were there in the hamper. All of us indulged into our kitchens and prepared the choices of dishes, that we could think of from those ingredients. I did an Italian pasta and a milk-based sweet dish with all the goodies I could put into that. Boy, smelled so great. One of the finest experiences I had remaining in the kitchen making those items. And it was also wonderful to see all my, friends and colleagues' culinary skills. After all, adopting skill is innate in every one of us at Sathguru. Over 80 dishes prepared in 40 minutes by 30 of us. Unparalleled record in these COVID times. I agree, dads are great when it comes to creating memories.
Hello everyone, I just wanted to tell you that the last Sunday, the program which we had, a virtual program on Father's Day, it was really a nice experience for me, and really I thoroughly enjoyed. I really enjoyed being there, and it was such a nice experience, and really kudos to Madam who conceptualized this entire event, and of course HR team and the corporate communication team to executing it beautifully. And I congratulate all the participants who were there the other day in kitchen and coming up with so many beautiful and yummy dishes. Kudos to entire team, and thank you very much.
Hi everyone, here's a big thank you to Sathguru family for organizing and celebrating Father's Day last weekend. Thank you for letting us all share some amusing moments, some embarrassing moments, but mostly the moments of joy of being a father. Here is my brat number one, my partner in crime, who's made the kitchen look like it's hit by a tornado while we were cooking and trying our culinary skills last weekend. It was fun. We did a lot of mess, but as they say, the end justifies the means, and justified did. I will leave the verdict of how the dishes that we tried and cooked were eventually turned out. Here my mess monster himself will talk about what he liked and what he did and what did he feel about it.
I ate all the makhanas and I had one bowl of porridge.
Wow, and how did you like it?
I liked it.
Okay, there it goes. Once again, thank you so much for letting us share the moments of joy, and look forward to doing more moments like this in the future. Thank you. See ya.
Hello everyone, this is Sudhakar. On the occasion of Father's Day, Sathguru HR team has conducted a virtual event. So there we have participated, Sathguru family, all team has participated, and we enjoyed a lot in that. I'm thankful to Sathguru team. On that day we got surprise gifts. So in that, to prepare the delicious dish, we got all the items. So that day I have cooked halwa. So it was, my family also enjoyed a lot in that. And so I'm thankful for Sathguru team conducting this type of events.